Welcome to Learning English with Leanne, Help with Writing. This video will help you to write sentences with 3 verbs using a comma and and. How to write sentences with 3 verbs. You can see our sentence here. It has 3 verbs. So you can see number 1, get up, 2, have, 3, make. We have 3 verbs in this sentence. Our rules: verb 1 and 2, we use a comma. As you can see, between get up and have, we have a comma. And then between verb 2 and 3, have, make, we use and. So here we have 3 simple sentences, all with the same subject. I cook dinner, I wash the dishes, I clean the house. We're going to make this into one sentence. So I cook dinner, we're going to use a comma. Then we're going to add action number 2, wash the dishes. And action 3, clean the house. So you can see I used I just one time, once, because I don't need 3 I's. I cook dinner, I wash the dishes, and I clean the house. No, we don't need this because it is the same subject. Here's another example, but this time we have a different subject. We and I. So the first part, we went shopping, comma, it is the same subject we, so we don't need to write again. We add verb 2, had lunch, we use and then I add the third sentence, but this time I need the subject. I bought some shoes. Here's another example. So we have different subjects again, we and the children. So we walked to the park, comma, action 2, the same subject, had a picnic lunch, we use and, the children played on the playground. So we must have the children because it is different subject, it is not we. Here we have 2 sentences. One sentence has a mistake. Find the problem. Sentence 2 has the problem. We have and 2 times. I make dinner and wash the dishes and watch TV. No, this is not good. Sentence 1 is good. We have a comma and. Here's 2 more. Find the problem. So sentence 1 has the problem. We have 2 commas and no and. Sentence 2 is good. We have a comma and. Here's 2 more sentences. Find the problem. Sentence 1 has the problem. There is only 2 actions and there is a comma. Sentence 2 is good because we have and with 2 actions. Use commas and in your writing. Remember, with verb 1 and 2, use a comma. With verb 2 and 3, use and. Or the last 2 actions, use and. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.